Alright, this is my laundry room. We've got the pedestal washer and dryer, and above it just a stark bare opening. We don't have any place to put things, and we wind up putting things on top of the washer and dryer. Here's the solution that I came up with to have some better storage options. Alright, and as you can see, we'll be putting in 3 shelves. And here's the finished product. We've got our 3 shelves. The bottom shelf is held in place with pins that we can pull, little dowels that we can pull out so that the shelf can be lifted. Just in case we ever had to get back to work on the washer and dryer or to turn off the water or anything. Anyway, I think this is a big improvement over what we had, and I hope you find this interesting, possibly helpful. Thanks.